I come before you, Lord. My heart is full of thanks. All I am, all I long for, I lay it in your hands, my God.
I'm in the hands of God. Nothing can separate me. I'm in the hands of God. Peace and endless love surround me. In the hands of God, I am.
When the waves rise high, when the waves rise high, I won't be afraid. You are here, Lord. You are my strength. I trust in you. I will not fear. I'm in your hands, rejoicing always. I'm in the hands of God. Nothing can separate me. I'm in the hands of God. Peace and endless love surround me. In the hands of God, I am. You are my salvation, the hope of my life. I will not fear, I will praise you, Lord. Your love protects me, your love sets me free. All I have, all I am, in your hands.
I'm in the hands of God. Nothing can separate